I've conducted extensive research, interviewed traditional project managers, networked with industry professionals, attended conferences, and even drawn from my own experience as a project manager. And guess what? I've discovered key reasons why agile project management can face some serious challenges in certain contexts. Number one, established organizational culture. Through my interviews with project managers from different companies, I found that many organizations have these deep-rooted processes that are all about traditional project management approach. Changing that mindset and getting buy-in from Agile, oh boy, that can be quite a mountain to climb, right? Resistance to change is another big hurdle. People love their routines and roles, and when you start talking about Agile, it feels like shaking things up entirely. It's not just culture shift. It's a whole new way of working together as a team and making decisions. Trust me, it's not always easy, but they love the challenge, right? Now let's talk about regulatory compliance requirements. In industries like finance and healthcare, there are strict rules and regulators that needs to be followed. Agile flexibility can be sometimes clash with these requirements, making it tough to fit. For those big complex projects with external dependencies and tons of stakeholders, traditional project management often shines. Agile is fantastic for iterative development, but when you need meticulous control and predictability, the structure approaches prevails. It's like a puzzle with many moved pieces, and sometimes you need that traditional framework to keep everything in check. Last but not least, there's a lack of agile knowledge and skills. And you see, Agile requires different expertise and shift in mindset compared to traditional project management. Many project managers struggle with this transition because they needed to upskill and get comprehensive training. It's a learning curve, but totally worth the end. Now let's be clear. These challenges don't mean Agile is less valuable. It's just important to understand obstacles in different contexts. By recognizing these reasons, organizations can make informed decisions and tailor their project management approach to suit their unique needs and constraints. So there you have it, folks. Agile project management may face challenges, but it's all about finding the right balance and adapting to the situation. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep these amazing things happen together. And remember to like, share, and follow for more insight. Stay motivated, my Agile project managers.